Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for several weeks, which is build these DIY Greenstalks. I built these for $15 with mostly coming from the Dollar Tree. I think it was specifically $13.78. A lot of people talk about these Greenstalks and I really wanted to try these out for myself first, but on the expensive end these can be upwards of $300 to $400 like each item, and this one is a 8-tier Greenstalk that I put together myself, so a much more affordable option that you can try, and then maybe next year I can invest in a better model. But let me show you how really easy this was to build. Vertical gardening is a great way to save space. I don't quite have my home garden set up yet. This is my second year, so any place I can save space, I'm definitely really need that. There's also lots of drainage holes too, so in theory this becomes a self-watering system too, especially if you get plenty of rain. So any runoff goes from one level down to the next, down to the next. So hopefully you shouldn't have to water as much, but we'll see how that goes. This next step is optional, but I'm going to throw down a piece of cardboard just to help kill grass, but also to give it like a level ground to sit on top of. This part is crucial. You need some sort of support. The hole that we punched earlier was so the pole can slide straight through the middle. This steel pole coated in plastic was $278 for 4 feet. You can also use a T-post, which is about $10 each, but I feel like with how thin these planters are, they would just sort of split apart. I'm using a mixture of compost from my landfill mixed with a big bag of peat moss. I'm also going to throw in some fertilizer and worm castings too. It's what I've been using on all of my beds this year. And this is the easy part. You kind of just throw the soil in there, stack as you go. You want to make sure you fill the entire thing up as much as you can. Maybe leave a little room for your actual plants to go in. The steel pole in the center is really crucial. You'll see in a little bit later once everything is all stacked up that it sort of like slightly leans to the side a bit. So without that pole, all of these, all 8, would absolutely just tumble right over. You can see at the very top there is the touch of a lean, so I went ahead and took a hammer and I just started to push that stake further down into the ground just for a tiny bit more support. So far I'm really enjoying the setup. It was literally quite easy. I've probably been out here an hour to put it together, and it came together quickly, and I would have done it faster if I didn't have to record too. So I think this is a good alternative to the $300 Greenstalks, but it's not permanent. If I like it this year, I think I might invest next year in one of the smaller, like $100-ish ones. But it's hot out here today. It's the middle of the day, so I won't fill my strawberries today. You'll probably see that in my next video where I'm planting all my strawberries and berries. So subscribe if you want to see that. Have a wonderful day.